Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel Bullows Paintshop Tales. Today we are here to discuss and show an unboxing video of Bullows 230 pressure fed spray gun. This is a premiumly packed box of Bullows 230 pressure fed spray gun. Let me tell you something about pressure fed spray gun. Pressure fed spray gun needs a pressure fed pot for its dispensing of the fluid. Generally a pressure fed pot is connected to pressure fed gun so that we get a mass production painting. This spray gun model 230 is Bullows 230 model for pressure fed. This nozzle setup is 2059 into 63 pb. That means the nozzle setup is 1.5 mm. And we get a serial number over here from the company. Today we are unboxing this. This is a corrugated box. It comes with an insert, and inside this you can see it is wrapped in a bubble sheet. This is Bullows 230 pressure fed spray gun. There are various knobs, like this is the air connection where the compressed air comes. This is the pattern control valve where we get a round and narrow pattern. Again, this is the material control valve, and this is the air nozzle, and here the connection, the paint hose get connected, and this is the trigger. So this is Bullows 230 pressure fed spray gun. In the box you will see we get a gun brush for gun cleaning purpose. We get accessories as big spanner and small spanner for servicing of the gun. It is used, and we get a gun key for the adjustments in gun body. In the box you can see we get a part list. Here in the part list all the parts which are necessary for servicing are been mentioned, and you can order it. At the back side of it there is an operation cum service manual where instructions are written for how to use and maintain the gun. Into the box again there is a technical industrial flyer of all the products which are being marketed into the market by company. So this video was about unboxing of Bullows pressure fed 230 spray gun. We will meet in our next video, which is Bullows 630 spray gun, gravity fed spray gun. Till then, thank you, and do like, subscribe and comment and share this video as possible as you can.